Welcome everyone. Today we're going to talk about instrumentation tools and equipment, the essential devices that technicians and engineers use in the field to maintain accuracy, safety, and reliability in industrial processes. And by the end of this session, you'll clearly understand the difference between tools and equipment and why both are vital in instrumentation work. Let's start by defining what we mean by a tool in instrumentation. A tool is basically a handheld device used to perform a specific physical task, such as installing, tightening, cutting, stripping, or adjusting components. These tools allow you to act on the hardware, but they don't actually measure or supply any controlled signals. So in simple terms, they help you build, connect, and maintain the system, but they are not used for calibration or testing. Some of the most common tools used by instrumentation technicians include the cable cutter, which is for trimming and preparing wires neatly, the torque wrench, which is used to tighten bolts or connections to a precise force, the screwdriver, which is simple but essential for assembling and disassembling components, the crimp tool, which is used to attach connectors securely to cables, the spanner, which is used for tightening or loosening fittings, and the wire stripper to safely remove insulation without damaging the conductor. So each of these tools plays a small but important role in ensuring connections are safe, strong, and reliable. Now let's move to equipment in instrumentation. Equipment refers to more advanced, often electronic devices that are used to test, calibrate, measure, or simulate signals in a control system. So they are not just tools for building, they are instruments for validation and accuracy checking. In other words, while tools help you work on the physical system, equipment helps you verify that the system is performing correctly and within specification. Some typical examples of instrumentation equipment include the dead weight tester, which is used for extremely accurate pressure calibration. We have the loop tester, which is used to verify proper current signal flow through a loop. We have the loop calibrator, which provides and measures 4 to 20 milliamp signals used in process control loops. We have the dry block tester or dry block calibrator, which is used to verify temperature sensors by providing a stable reference temperature. We also have the multimeter, which is one of the most versatile devices used to measure voltage, current, and resistance. Now, these devices ensure precision, compliance, and process reliability across industrial systems. Finally, let's discuss why understanding the difference between tools and equipment matters so much. Instrumentation work demands precision, and precision comes from using the right tool and the right equipment at the right time. Using the correct combination ensures that every component is installed correctly and that every signal measured or calibrated meets industry standards. In short, tools help you build it right and equipment helps you prove it's right. So mastering both is what defines a skilled instrumentation technician. If this video helped you understand instrumentation tools and equipment concepts, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more automation tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.